honoring Batch of 2000. We would like to thank the support of everyone, especially during our fundraising initiatives, to be able to make this happen, to be able today be the best version of our batch. Ayun, thank you everyone. So, we turn over the key of responsibility to the incoming batch.
I will give you the headache.
Okay, so thank you very much for this award of responsibility. Headache daw sabi ng mga batch 2001. But we also commit our, on behalf of batch 2001, we commit our dedication, our commitment to continue this legacy, we encourage everyone to please participate next alumni homecoming. So as early as today, we invite you to please participate again next alumni homecoming. So, okay, so okay, so yung mga may tickets pala kami, so we are distributing tickets para sa financial support, monetary support. If you want next alumni homecoming to be as festive as this, then please support us. We are in dire need of your financial support. Okay, baka may panawagan yung mga kasama ko.
And in preparation for the Alumni 2026, it would be an alumni homecoming, a most exciting, a festive activity. And we are encouraging you to please help us make a momentous Alumni 2026.